Here we have the ROM-based temperature converter implemented on the Nexys A7 FPGA board. For I/O configurations, obviously the output data is located here on the left, and our input data, or our input value, is located here on the right. We have that this switch over here, V10, indicates our reset functionality, and this switch here, V11, indicates which scale we are in. So if it's low, we're converting from Celsius to Fahrenheit, and if it's high, we're converting from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Then these least significant 7 switches indicate our input data from J15 to R13. So right now, I'll demonstrate the reset functionality, just very simple. There we go. Right now we are in Celsius to Fahrenheit, so my input data is 0, and we convert to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. And I can keep incrementing and flipping switches and changing the value. Let me show the max range. So now this is the maximum value of that range, which allows 100 degrees Celsius to convert to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. If I increment this by 1, it's going to throw 0. It's because it's out of the range for the allowable conversions in our memory file for ROM. So I have it programmed to just throw out a 0 whenever the value is out of range, whenever the input value is not specified in location for the ROM file. So now if I get back to, let's say, just to show the temperature for Fahrenheit to Celsius, now I have a 32 degrees Fahrenheit converting to 0 degrees Celsius. Let me find the maximum range once again. See, 224 out of range, so we're throwing 0. There we go, 212. So 212 degrees Fahrenheit will convert to 100 degrees Celsius. And that's pretty much it. It just locates the proper address in ROM, which is actually kind of a paged ROM, the way that I designed it. So you have the first 101 addresses are the Celsius to Fahrenheit, and then the subsequent are Fahrenheit to Celsius. So depending on your scale, it's going to basically have an offset to branch to that page, or it's just going to take in the user input data and find that location if it is for Celsius to Fahrenheit, because there's no offset there. And that's it. That's the project.